Hello students, this is Yogita Parmar and this is lecture number 10. And this is the last type of the reaction we are going to have in this topic, that is oxidation and reduction reaction. It is also known as redox reaction. Okay, what happened actually in this oxidation? Oxidation means in a reaction in which oxygen is added and removal of hydrogen takes place. Okay, a reaction in which oxygen is added and or removal of hydrogen takes place, that type of reaction are known as oxidation reaction. And reduction reaction, a reaction in which the addition of hydrogen takes place and removal of oxygen takes place, that is known as reduction reaction. Okay, so we will come to the first one. We will take the example of this, means addition of reaction one. Okay, for example, uh, carbon. Okay, carbon, when carbon reacts with oxygen, what it gives? We heat it. So what it gives? It gives carbon dioxide. Now what happening here? Here, oxygen is added to the carbon in the product. Can you see? This carbon, in this carbon, if you see in the product, the oxygen is added up. So what happened? Carbon is get oxidized. Here, carbon is oxidized. ठीक है, जिसमें भी ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो जाएगा उसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो जाएगा, उसको हम बोलेंगे क्या? दैट इट इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the magnesium ribbon, one example. Okay, so for example, magnesium plus oxygen, when it is heated, what it forms? It forms magnesium oxide. Okay, we balance the equation. So what will happen here? What will happen? Magnesium, here magnesium is without oxygen, but in the product it is oxygen is added up. So here magnesium is oxidized by addition of oxygen. So we can here write here that magnesium is oxidized by addition of oxygen. Okay, so this is an example. We can see that where the addition of oxygen taking place. Okay, the second we will take the example of removal of hydrogen. If in a reaction the hydrogen is removing, then also we can say that it is an oxidation reaction. Now, second we can take that the removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. It will be, suppose hydrogen sulfide when react with chlorine, it forms HCl plus sulfur. Okay, so if you balance the equation, it will become 2HCl here. Okay, now this is a balanced equation. So what happened here? Here, removal of hydrogen from this hydrogen sulfide, the hydrogen is removed in the reactant. Okay, the hydrogen is removed. So what we will say that? What we will say? That hydrogen sulfides react with chlorine, it gets oxidized to sulfur due to loss of hydrogen. Okay, so H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide, is oxidized. Here we can say H2S is oxidized. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी क्या हो गया? हाइड्रोजन का लॉस हो रहा है. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? ऑक्सीजन का एडिशन हो रहा था. सो आइदर द एडिशन ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन और द रिमूवल ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन, इन बोथ द केसेस ऑक्सीडेशन विल टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, so this is what the oxidation reaction. If we take the example of reduction, reduction is the reverse of oxidation. Okay, so as we have done that, what it is, the first case is addition of hydrogen. Now, addition of hydrogen, for example, if we take in this addition of hydrogen, when nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, it gives ammonia. Okay, and if we react, if we balance this, it become 3 here. Here it will become 2. Okay, so what will addition of hydrogen? So where the hydrogen is added in this equation? In the nitrogen. Okay, when you see the nitrogen in the product, hydrogen is added. So what we'll say? That hydrogen is added to nitrogen. This is a reduction reaction. Means nitrogen is reduced. And this is reduction reaction. Okay, now the second is the removal of oxygen. Now removal of oxygen is also a what? Is also a reduction reaction. The removal of oxygen. Okay, let's take an example. For example, copper oxide, when reacted with hydrogen, when we heat it, the product is copper plus water. So removal of oxygen, कहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का रिमूव हो रहा है? कॉपर ऑक्साइड में हो रहा है. ओके, कॉपर ऑक्साइड में क्या हो रहा है कि when it in the reactant side, the oxygen is, there is a loss of the oxygen. So what we can say that copper oxide is reduced. In this, copper oxide is reduced. Okay, so this is the concept of the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, and if the reaction takes place simultaneously, it is known as redox reaction. In the next, we will do some practice of the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, okay, students, thank you.